What's up, guys? What's up, guys? What's up, guys? Why can't I just say hi? Why is it so hard? Hey guys, so today's probably going to be a pretty quick video. I promised you guys on my review of the Revlon blow drying brush that I would update you guys on how my hair reverted. So I figured I'd just do this process on camera. I usually don't have to worry about my hair reverting with blow dryers, but because that blow dryer got pretty hot, I am intrigued to know. And I also feel like you guys would probably want to know this too. So as you can see, my hair is pretty old at this point. I mean, if I wanted to, I could rehydrate this and make a whole nother style out of it, but we're not gonna do that. I will mention too that I exercised and it still looks decent. So we're gonna go ahead and revert the hair with a conditioning treatment. Let go! But I need you close. All I ever wanted was for you to prove me wrong. You're changing our colors again and again. I could never let you go. So if you're new to my channel, usually before I wash my hair, I do a pre-poo treatment, which is a couple of videos down from this one if you want to go check that out. But since I just reviewed the Revlon blow drying brush, which is a product that I have never used before, I just wanted to take some extra precautions this time and do a deep condition before I shampoo, just to add a little bit more moisture while it's reverting. So I don't usually do this process before washing my hair on a weekly basis, but since this is a new product that I used, I want to take extra precautions. So today in my water bottle I have water, and I also threw in some aloe vera juice since I'm not doing my aloe pre-poo. I just wanted to get a little bit of aloe on my scalp. And then on top of that, while the hair is reverting, I'm infusing it with a little bit more moisture, adding my favorite deep conditioner, which I will of course link in the description box for you guys if you want to check that out. We're stuck in this pattern, but I need you close. All I ever wanted was for you to prove me wrong. You're changing our colors again and again. I could never let you go. Something about you feels so different, makes me wanna risk it. Every time I look at you, you pull me back into your river. So my entire head has been sprayed with the aloe vera and water mixture. I have a little bit left in here, so I'm just gonna, why not? I also did a little massage if you saw, just to, you know, stimulate my scalp a little bit. Why not, since I'm not doing my normal pre-poo. Now I'm just gonna take my twist down. And of course the hair isn't fully reverted yet. We're gonna put on a plastic cap. And I always wear two because I have a gigantic head. And I'm gonna deep condition using my hot head heat cap. For a while, I actually have to go pick up my daughter from school, and then, you know, I gotta make dinner, do yada 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 yada, so I'm not gonna be able to wash my hair until later tonight. So that actually leaves me a lot of time for the conditioner and the moisture to really set in and do its thing. So I'm going to wash, and then I will come back and show you my texture. I'm pretty sure this is gonna be fine, and I'm sure this is being super extra, but I don't know you that well, so we won't take precautions. Okay, I'll be back. Hey guys, so it's been 2 days since I've actually washed my hair. I just got kind of swamped and wasn't able to come back and show you guys my hair after washing, but as you can see, it looks really great. All my curls are there. There's no heat damage that I can find. Obviously, my curls are stretched right now. I did the banding method on my wash and go, which I've shown you guys already in a video a while back. I'll link it in the description box. But before I stretched my curls, I did take a photo so I could show you guys what they looked like prior to me stretching, so you guys can see that my curls are all intact. As you can see, there's no like straight pieces or anything like that, so there's no heat damage, which I'm really happy about. So my final thoughts on this blow dryer is that it did a really great job. I didn't get any heat damage, so I'm really happy about that. I will most definitely be using this again. I'm just gonna obviously be very careful about how many times I run this through my hair, and obviously being very careful to not abuse the high heat setting. And I know this is a separate video, so if you have no idea what I'm talking about, I'm gonna put a link to my full review for this Revlon blow drying brush. I'm gonna put it in the description box. It's pretty much the video right before this one, but I'll put it in there anyway, so you guys can go check that out. I just want to do a quick follow-up for anyone who is interested on, you know, the state of my hair afterwards. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.